Yeah, but he'll be up quite quick. Final turn, that's a bit mad, isn't it? If it's coming from Dubai or whatever it's coming from, why is it coming this way?
Yep, I think Flyby's going in front of the metro.
So cool! That is amazing! He's gonna have to go though. The Emirates is gonna have to go though.
That's close, that, isn't it?
No, that's just too close.
He's gone around.
Oh my god!
Seen it on the runway just last minute there, look. Right, that's fine.